Alright, hey guys, welcome back to another Steam tutorial, and today we're going to be talking about Steam bundles and a good place to actually look up all the Steam bundles, look up, the best deals and all of that. So Steam bundles, if you didn't know, it's a bunch of games put together by developers to sell them as a group instead of by themselves, and usually at a discounted rate. So you can obviously look through the Steam directory itself, but this is a very good website. It's called steamdb.info/bundles. It's going to be the first link down below. And here it shows off pretty much all of the bundles, and also you can sort through stuff. And if you would like to sign in right over here through your Steam account, it will also show you what you have already, so it'll make it even easier for you to search through it. But as you can see, you can go by name, you can search whatever you want. You can also go by price of it, which one's the lowest, which one's the highest, as you can see right here. And also how much percent off are you getting. As you can see, you have all the way up to 98%. These are a bunch of random little games, but this way you can actually, and also you can see created, like, ones that were created literally just today or 2 days ago. So yeah, if you wanted to find a good price for a bunch of games by the same developer, and you want to get all of them, this is a good place to look. But that will do it for me. I will see you in the next one, and go check out the other tutorials I have down below.